rights, I want you to tell us a little bit about the issues of the court's position on extreme vetting. What is happening in that regard?
Okay, so well, actually, the way, and again, as you know, when the president came in, he issued an executive order, and subsumed within that executive order is what's called extreme vetting. So what he's trying to do is he's trying to make sure that people's cases are properly, that the background checks are done properly. And extreme vetting in this environment is taking a couple of different forms. One of the forms that it's taking is what's called administrative processing, and we're dealing with that at the U.S. consulate offices abroad, where they're doing background checks, heavy background checks on everyone, and what it's doing is it's holding up like crazy, holding up cases for a long period of time.
Did they set a number of did they set a number of interviews per day that really slows it down?
Yeah, well, they have a capitation requirement. Yes. Whenever we go to the consulate and we meet with consular officers, they always talk about capitation, and they're always talking about how many cases they get through. What they don't tell you, of course, is how many cases end up in administrative processing. So we get calls as immigration lawyers from individuals who have been to the consulate, given them all the information, and the case goes into what's called 221G administrative processing. So those administrative processing holds have been very frustrating for us, for our clients. Lots of students coming to the United States from Princeton, all over the country, who unfortunately their cases are being held at the U.S. consulate. It's very difficult. So yeah, so they're having trouble making their start dates appropriately. The other thing is now the announcement was made a couple of weeks ago that every single case now is going to be interviewed in the United States. So whereas for many years we didn't have to worry about employment-based cases being interviewed, now they're going to interview every single case, which means family-based cases and employment-based cases are going to be interviewed at the district offices, which means that basically the ripple effect of that is that we're going to have severe backlogs, wait times, and much more frustrated clients, unfortunately.